My name isn't Alice, but I keep looking for Wonderland. Hey, welcome along to this lesson for Alice by Lady Gaga. This brand new song came out today. I put up lessons like most Fridays of brand new songs. If you like new songs, you like guitar, and you like lessons, please subscribe. It'll make your Fridays so good. Just getting brand new lessons in your YouTube inbox. So here we go. Let's get it going. You only need 4 chords for this song. B minor, yes, there's a bar chord. Okay, F sharp minor, yes, there's a bar chord. D and E. Okay, folks, that's the whole song. I'm not joking. And if you don't believe me, if you want to check out, I do have a playthrough done of it. Just check out the page that'll pop up above, and you will get access to a playthrough video where I'll play along with the original recording. Okay, just got to keep some of that stuff off YouTube. Now, here we go. Get your B minor. Okay, and the rhythm goes like that. Okay, it's going 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, the 1 is super easy. You play on the 1. Look at the second beat and you will see that we're going to A. Okay, that counts so far. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. On 3, you see there's a rest, so we don't strum, but we strum on the off beat of 3. So I'll do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and same again. I'll start speeding it up. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1. Like that. That's the whole song. Now, if you want to make it easier, if you don't like bar chords, you can also do this. Put a capo on the 2nd fret, play A minor, E minor, C, and D. My name isn't Alice, but I keep looking. Sorry, do that one more time. Like that. And that is the entire song. Remember to grab that download. You'll be able to see me play along the whole song to see how it all maps out. Remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you very soon.